Hello, this is John Pesic with T1V. We're at ISE 2020 here in Amsterdam, and I'm here standing next to our ThinkHub xCanvas product. One of the great features about T1V is the flexibility and agility we have to work around your current infrastructure. We find many of our partners already have existing non-touch displays within their building finance. And what we do is we utilize a touch panel like this to work with something that may be non-touch. So through that, you have the full capacity of all of the ThinkHub features. So for example, here with our Agile solution, as you see, I can take content on here, move it into another group, it assumes those qualities, and this could be on a non-touch display. We also have the ability from here to mirror and move content around on multiple touch screens. So you may have a room that's filled for like in a teaching or training set of format where multiple non-touch displays, and from one touch panel, just like this, we have the ability to get all the features and benefits that you have with ThinkHub utilizing that existing non-touch technology. Of course, xCanvas is not just limited to non-touch. If you do have a touch display, as you see, it also works with that as well too. To find out more about our xCanvas solution, please visit T1V.com.